Sir, what are your views on Europe turmoil?
The Europe turmoil, basically the genesis of this turmoil is that these economies have traditionally been built on lot of debt. So basically, I mean, in a nutshell, if we are to say that these countries are spending more than what they are producing, and this has been going on for quite some time. So this bubble had to burst at some point in time, and it all started with US. And US is a very huge trading partner with Europe. So that effect of the US weakening has gone to European markets. As a result, the weaker countries are showing signs of cracking up, and this is like a domino effect. So more countries will come wherein we will see the weaker economy showing these cracks more and more, and we have not seen the last of this.
And what impact it will have on India?
India, in a sense, is quite insulated because our markets are well spread out. It is not concentrated only on Europe or on US per se. We have a very big domestic market, but definitely because we are trading with them, we are doing business with the Western economies, some impact will be there, but the inherent strengths far outweigh these hiccups and these problems.
Do you think that the worst has happened?
As far as the Western economies, no. I think it will take another couple of years for things to settle down.
Now suppose if you are asked for a solution, what solution you have?
Let's spend little less. Austerity is very easily said, but it's very difficult to implement. But that is what they need to implement sooner or later. That will only be a permanent solution for these economies.
As an investment hedge, what are your views on gold prices?
See, people are losing faith in the dollar, they are losing faith in the euro. There is no other credible currency where people can put their investments in. In such a scenario, the reserve currency will definitely be gold, and we see that very big bull market is already underway in gold, but we have not reached the top as yet.